Hello and welcome to the Daily Self Love Podcast. I'm your host, CS Neha Bajaj. And today, let's unveil the power of becoming unstoppable. Being unstoppable. Oh my God. It's such a transformative step in anyone's life. Being unstoppable, being limitless, seeing the limitless potential that you have, and then being unstoppable when it comes to you taking action towards and unleashing your potential, that limitless potential to do something great for you, for the world, for the society, for the planet, for the whole entire universe. You never know, friends. One act of kindness from your end can create a ripple effect in the world. Never ever underestimate even one single action of yours. Keep taking action, become unstoppable, and today let's understand how becoming unstoppable can have transformative effect in your life, both personally and professionally. Number 1, it's a source of unwavering confidence. An unstoppable mindset instills a deep sense of confidence. Why? Because you believe in yourself. You believe in your abilities, in your decisions. That makes you more resilient, especially at times of challenges. Being unstoppable also helps you to become more about embracing challenges. You know, challenges are not the difficulties, but the opportunities in disguise. Your perspective towards challenges in your life changes, and so instead of being hindered by the obstacles, by the challenges, you learn from them, you improve yourself, and then you take your next best step. Overall, the third point of why you should become unstoppable, what's the transformative effect of you becoming unstoppable is increased productivity. When you are unstoppable, you are driven. You are focused because you are totally working on something you are passionate about. And this drive often leads to increased productivity as you approach tasks with determination and purpose. As such, number 4, you will be able to achieve your goal much faster and in a much better way. Being unstoppable means you are committed to your goals. You set objectives, create a plan, and persistently work towards achieving them, which is more towards a likelihood of you getting towards your success. You build resilience. Number 5, you build resilience if you are unstoppable. Why? Because an unstoppable individual bounces back quickly from setbacks. They possess a resilience that enables them to recover from failures, adapt, and keep moving forward. This not only helps you in an improved decision making, but also you have an enhanced leadership skills that also builds your risk taking appetite. Most importantly, you are only seeing the positive. You are the one who inspires others. Why? Because till now, when you are becoming unstoppable, and most importantly, if you have become unstoppable, you have developed a positive mindset which is only going to inspire whosoever lives you touch upon. You see challenges as opportunities. That means a way more increased level of opportunities coming your way. You have your creativity at the forefront because you have all the ideas coming up all along the way. And so, in nutshell, I would say, being unstoppable is a mindset that propels you towards success, resilience, and personal growth. And do not forget also your professional growth. It transforms the way you approach life's challenges, enabling you to overcome obstacles with confidence and determination. And so, my dear friends, I'm here to help you, to handhold you to become unstoppable like I have become. No more something about selling something, but a determined effort, a focused effort from my side to really impact your life. If you are stuck in your life, if you are facing some challenges in your life and you don't know what to do, where to go, how to move forward and how to get out of those challenges, your friend is here to help you. But the only condition is you have to approach me. There is nothing like you cannot do it, because trust me, I trust you. You can do whatever you put your mind to. The only one person that's stopping you from doing that is you yourself. So if you feel you need someone's guidance, absolutely free of cost, connect with me. DM me, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm always sharing my LinkedIn link with you all. I'm available at CS Neha Bajaj on LinkedIn and most of the social media platforms. Connect with me, like I said, and just get that free, non-judgmental space for you to vent out, to share your real inner self, and let me help you unleash your true potential. Let's together start this journey of you becoming unstoppable. Till next time, bye-bye. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay self-loved.